You know,
I've noticed that they laid the baby chick come out. I noticed that because they made the noise like beep 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 beep. And also excited to checking the nest. When I open it, the first one they won't come out on Thursday. And the second big one came out.
This one.
Friday.
And this one was yesterday. You can't believe it, guys. See? I know. I love your babies. They'll follow me for the whole entire month. So, I'm not giving away the bigger one. Daddy, so which one are you going to give away? Wait a second. Daddy. When this one lay, can we give this one to Mr. Chang? Any of the ones that don't lay.
They're so tiny.
Look at them. Daddy, look. They're so tiny. Making sound again.
Oh my god, so tiny.
I never thought though. Daddy, they're trying to bite you.
No, they can't even bite me.
I know. They have soft beaks. She's so relaxed on me. I wonder what pineapple looked like when he was a baby.
It's pretty similar with this one.
Really?
Oh my god, it's so tiny leg. Tiny wing.
That's Daddy. I want to pet them tomorrow.
Tomorrow? You put them back? Do you want to put them back?
One last kiss.
Okay, last kiss.
I love you so much. Well, especially for you. Because you're Karomi and you're my favorite character and you're my favorite bird. I kissed him 100 times already now. Because I just loved him.
Is it gonna be baby? Your baby.
My baby, not Jiggly. My baby. And those two are Jigglies. But this one is Karomi. You're my lovely little baby.
Oh, they pull my hand.
Huh?
Oh, pull my hand. Oh, big dong. They pull my hand. It's a poo.
Let's see. And Daddy, one excitement. Look, this. Daddy, look. Excitement. 3 poops in a row. I hate that.